Hi, I'm Howard Fleischmann Sr. with Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair, and the summer heat is upon us. So I wanted to spend a little bit of time today talking about tires and how important they are for the safety of your automobile and your family. First of all, everybody needs to know where to find the proper tire pressure for their vehicle. A lot of people will see on the side of a tire that there is actually a tire pressure mentioned, but that has nothing to do with your vehicle. That is the maximum tire pressure that that tire can hold. Doesn't have anything to do with the vehicle you're driving. You need to go to your door placard and/or the owner's manual. Either one will give you the proper inflation for your vehicle. A lot of people think they can overinflate to get better gas mileage. Not necessarily true. You're going to lose traction, you're going to lose braking ability, you're going to lose turning ability. Go with the manufacturer's recommendation. Plus, remember that as your tire heats up, the tire pressure goes up 1 pound for every 10 degrees ambient temperature. So if you've got it set at the proper pressure and you drive from here to Yuma, that tire is going to be 5 to 7 pounds heavier in air. You don't want to take a chance. Stay with the manufacturer's recommendation. The other thing we need to do is check tire tread depth. If you grab a quarter and stick that in the tire, you'll find that if the president heads is visible, your tire tread is fine. But you need to check it all the way across the tire. The other thing you need to pay attention to is how old are the tires. In Arizona, we say 5 to 6 years maximum, and then get them off the vehicle because they can become dangerous at that time. Look to your DOT number. The DOT number tells you all the history. It tells you the birth date, tells you the birthplace, tells you everything about the tire you want to know. Come by and see us at any of our stores. We'll be glad to take the time to check your tires for you and make sure you're safe for this summer heat coming. And let's not forget trailers. This time of year, all of a sudden, we grab all our toys and head out to the lake. First thing you need to look at is how's the tire pressure and how old is the tire. If you noticed that last time you went to the lake, you saw tires spread all over the freeway. Some of those are from trailers, and it's no fun sitting on the side of the road next to your boat waiting for somebody to bring you a spare tire when you should be on the water having fun. Take a little extra time to be sure. So you're ready to check your tread depth. Grab a quarter. We used to say a penny, but now we say a quarter because of inflation. Set it down into the tread and make sure you do it all the way across the tire to make sure the tread's all good all the way across. If you see the president's head, the top of his head, the tire needs to be replaced. That means it's down to 2/32. And again, go all the way across because you could find that on the inside tread. This tire's into the cords. It's just waiting to come apart. On a good tire, obviously you can see that the president's head is buried. So you've got plenty of tread, you're in good shape. So next is check tire pressure. But this car tire came in underinflated or was underinflated. This customer had a tire light, decided she could make it down the road another 10 miles, and this is what happened. So don't take a chance. Tire lights are saving us, but when you see your tire light go on, immediately take action. This is another one, same situation. Tire was underinflated, got overheated, and this is what you have. If you're concerned about the age of your tires, again, we'll be glad to put it up in the air and check it out for age. If you want to crawl underneath the tire, here's your DOT number. This tells you everything you want to know about that tire, where it was built and when it was built. The last 4 digits will tell you the year and the week. So this tire was built in the 37th week of 2019. Very easy to check. Don't run a tire that's over 6 years old. Keep your family safe.